This is a brand new 2014 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a voice-activated navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: voice activation technology, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, the Acura Link satellite communication system, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, dual power seats, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.